Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. It's been a while since I uploaded any kind of video regarding Python scraping or any kind of Python projects or any kind of technology or technical stuff that we can upload on my YouTube channel. Okay, or even though that's an AI or tutorial, right? So this one. I mean this scraping tool that I created is an Instagram scraping or an Instagram scraper, right? It doesn't use any kind of Google Chrome extension or any kind of third-party application. It's pure Python, and it's currently using all the modules that we need to scrape the platform. Okay, and yeah, we're not going to do it like 1,000 to scrape right away. Just doing it per volume. Okay. I mean not 100, usually lower than 100, just to make sure we're getting quality leads, right? So what I'm getting is leads that has a followers or username, Instagram username or profile that has more than 10,000 followers, but not more than 100,000. Okay, and we will going to get their Shopify store, Instagram URL, Instagram username, and the followers count. Okay, the followers count is right down here. As you can see here, some are 1,300, 2,200, 50, 5,800, 19, more than yeah, 1,900, right? But you will see here, it's not. I mean, it will going to get I mean, it will going to consistently get the followers that we set on our on our app. Okay, so right now I use what you call this. I use a an API to help me get this application or this project pushed through. Okay, and the application, I mean the API that I've used to successfully get all the data from Instagram is this one, SERP API. I'm using this a long time ago. I mean, I'm using it almost every day. Okay, although you'll only get 250 per month, all right? And that's not enough with the kind of lead generation that I'm doing. I'm currently doing with other clients. Okay, but this one, it's only for 250, just for testing purposes, and also to make sure that we are getting quality leads from all kinds of platform. As you can see here on the left hand side, it will going to give you Google, all the Google products, I guess. Yeah, up until Google Video Lite API. Also, they also have Amazon Search and Product API, Apple App Store API, Baidu Search, Bing, Copilot, Images, DuckDuckGo, Search and Lite, eBay Search, Facebook Profile API, Never Search API, Open Table Reviews API. There's tons. Home Depot, TripAdvisor, Walmart, Yahoo, Yandex, Yelp. Yelp, it's easy, right? It's easy. You just have to have a proxy server to be able to scrape those kind of platform. YouTube Search API. Although you can get this by getting any if you can get the what you call this if you're able to create a service JSON in the console of Google, but I think it's paid. Yeah, it's paid, but this one it's free for 250 per month. Okay, but you're not going to get all of your credit. I mean, it will not going to deduct a large amount of credit from your yeah from your monthly volume. Okay, so right now we're going to run the scraper. Let me go ahead and do that right now, and I'm going to run Shopify Leads Engine version 2.py. Okay, as you can see, it's asking me for the niche. The niche that we have right now, this is for a client of mine, and we're going to put these are the keywords. Okay, these are the keywords, right, that we are going to use. Clothing, streetwear, anime, fashion, apparel, handmade, urban. So we're going to put apparel. Actually, I already have these data on the on my CSV JSON file, but I put it on a different folder. So this application, it will going to read what's on the same what's on the file. I mean, on the same directory with the app. It will not going to do the I mean, it will not going to get or detect the files in this folder. Okay. As long as the file is in here, it will going to be read. Okay, so it will going to generate JSON file and CSV file. Okay, but for this run, it will be able to get the yeah, pressing both. Okay, now let's try that right now. Let's go 20. Okay, let's search. Like I told you, it will going to get the Shopify URL, although not the actual URL domain. Like for instance, DuckDuckGo.com or Shopify.com. Those, I mean, that is the hierarchy domain. Okay, so this one it will going to get something like, for instance, DuckDuckGo.myshopify.com. Okay, but if you're going to put it on your, if you're going to put the link or the address to the Shopify or to the address bar on the browser, let me show that to you right now, real quick. Okay, while still reading. Okay, I have here the Instagram, there's the username, there's the Shopify store. So we're going to copy this. Let me, as you can see here, apparelcandy.myshopify.com. So we're going to copy that. Okay, going to go to here, going to open up another tab, and then going to access the site. You can see it redirected to to apparelcandy.com. You can see here. Let me go to the let me get the other link. See here. Okay, copy, paste. Hmm. All right, just give me 1 second here because my computer is a little bit slow at the moment, and it's currently okay. So yeah, we're going to paste the URL. Okay, then we're going to access the store. As you can see, 101apparel.com. Okay, and let me see the other URL. Let's see this. As you can see, it's running right now. Okay, it's running. It's appending to this. Okay, as you can see, we're going to close that out. You can see there's a scrape store. There's also the SERP API, Shopify leads. It's appending. Some are already scraped because those are duplicates. Okay, as you can see, it's this one. We're going to get, you see, not Shopify based on the ICP. Okay, all right, and then okay, let me show you the other store. We go there. As you can see, it goes to a kings.com or a kings.com, right? So it's currently working. Okay. So right now we have all the store stopping scrape because we already got 20. So we're going to go here. As you can see here, we got the store, right? And now we're going to run the this one to get the username. And that is going to be, we're just going to rename, then going to copy that so that it will not, Python, then we just can paste it, okay? Okay, as you can see here, automatically it got the username, right? 10 or 19. It pastes on the it also pastes on the scrape underscore JSON dot store dot JSON. Okay. Now we're going to use the followers, right? It will going to log in to my Instagram, but I've already do the the IG session dot JSON. It means that I log in earlier and then it saved the session so that it will not going to it will going to detect my logins. Okay, so we're going to use this app. It's one ig underscore login dot underscore one. So you're going to log in once, and then it will going to detect that you're already logged in. Okay, so we're going to run this to get the followers count, rename, copy, and then run this Python, then paste, run it. Okay, it's visiting the this website, the first one. This one. I'm sorry. Let's close that out. Close this out. This one. It's getting the this one. Here's the first one. As you can see here, right? This one. So not found. Accepted because it has 43,000. It skipped because it only had 3,000. Accepted because it had 2200, 9300. Accepted. So it will keep on doing it in here, right? We're going to wait for that because it's only 20 or 19. So it will going to cool down for 30 seconds. After 10 scrape, it will going to cool down. It loads because it's already cooled down, okay? And we're going to cool down for 30 seconds and then run the other 10. All right. So if you're going to use this application, you must be you must have a Windows or another computer, a low-level computer that will just going to run every day, and there's another person who's going to manage that application or that computer so that it will going to check if it's running or not. But it will going to keep on running, right? For instance, you set it to 100 per day, right? It will going to keep on scraping until your credits in SERP API max out. Okay, or no, what I mean, sorry. If you're going to use this first stage, which is the engine version 2, right? If you max it out, it will just going to stop. Okay, that's only for 250 credits, so probably you will get probably 1,000, I guess. Okay, or more than 1,000 in one scrape. Okay, so if I were you, I'm going to get 100 in one scrape, and then it will just keep on doing it. You don't have to check on it because it will going to enrich, right? So this three apps that I started, you can put it in one app. So it will you run it, and then it will going to do the scraping by itself. Okay, all right. So if you are available, if you are into it, just let me know. Subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and then like if you like this kind of video and share it. Okay? Thank you very much and have a good day.